Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to EasyPaysa in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer receiving payments internationally or just need to send money back home, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified. In 2025, PayPal has tightened security, so double-check that your account is linked to a valid email, phone number, and perhaps even biometric verification for smoother transactions. Once that's sorted, the key is to use a reliable intermediary or exchange service, as direct transfers from PayPal to EasyPaysa aren't always available due to regional restrictions. Step 1. Log into your PayPal app or website and withdraw the funds to your linked bank account or a digital wallet that supports international transfers. This might take 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. Step 2. Once the money is in your bank, use a trusted exchange platform like Wise or WorldRemit, which are popular in 2025 for cross-border payments. These services allow you to convert USD or other currencies to PKR at competitive rates. Now, for the EasyPaysa part, download or open the EasyPaysa app on your phone. Step 3. Add funds to your EasyPaysa wallet by transferring from your bank account or using the exchange service's payout option directly to EasyPaysa. You'll need to enter your EasyPaysa account number and confirm the details. Step 4. Review the transaction fees. In 2025, expect around 2 to 5% depending on the amount and service used. Hit confirm, and voila, the money should reflect in your EasyPaysa account within minutes to hours. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on exchange rates and fees to avoid surprises. Also, ensure you're complying with any local regulations in Pakistan, as EasyPaysa might require additional verification for larger amounts. There you have it. Transferring money has never been easier. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.